Hello, friends. Hello, Nina.
Hi, Shika.
Hi, how
Good
are
to see
you?
you again. I'm
Yeah,
good.
same here. So we are back again with another little episode with you. Last time you had told us how you will tell us, you will show us how the people born on the same day, same time may differ according to numerology, which is
Correct.
very new
I don't think it is new, but yes,
for
that
me.
subject is
Yes.
not, the subject is not widely spoken about. So, uh, yes, I did talk about this, and I would like to uh, first say a few things about this. Now, children who are born, say on the same day, could be varied in different places in different countries. But we will talk about children who are born on the same day in the same hospital. What happens to them? Do they all have the same life, each one of them? No, it is not like that. It is mainly the child who is born, he is born in which society? Uh, for instance, is he born in a businessman family? Is he born in a celebrity family? Is he born in a middle salaried class family? Is he born to a laborer? Could be anything. A celebrity could be giving birth to the same child. The servant in the house could be giving birth on the same day. So, will their lifestyles be the same? No. What happens is here the the way the where you are born in, where your community, your social background, your status, the child that is born in which family, all that matters. The sequence of events in the child's life could be the same, but here again, how the child is going to react to the same events will change the course of his destination. So we cannot say that two children born on the same day will have a same life. Here, even though the day is the same, there will be a lot of differences within the child and how the child perceives. Now
Right.
let us talk about, you're clear on this, right?
Yes,
Shika,
yes,
can you
very
hear me?
clear.
Yeah,
Very
okay.
clear. Yes, of course.
Okay, now let's talk about children being born to the same family. Two children being born to the same family in the same hospital. Like, say, a person has twins.
Correct.
Now, again, here the twins could be born to a businessman, to a celebrity, to whoever. All these children will behave differently. Each child will behave differently. How will we find out that how does this child behave differently? That is what we are coming to. So, supposing we take the number of any child together. It could be two girls, it could be two boys, it could be a boy and a girl, whatever. But if you will see here, the name the child is given differs. The values of the name in the child differs, and
Okay.
hence the way the child will express to a particular sequence, to a particular event, to a particular circumstance will differ. The way the child thinks differs. So even though they are in the same family and they have the same circumstance in that family, two children born on the same day should be giving the same exact reaction. But we have seen so many times that twins are like chalk and cheese. One could be
Yes.
very introvert, one could be very extrovert, one would love singing and partying, the other one would be totally into books, a total nerd. And you'll wonder, how did this happen? In astrology we will say maybe there is a timing difference, so there the nakshatra would change or
Yeah.
something else would
3,
change,
4, D60 will change, D9 will change, and
yeah,
all that.
yeah. So how do you do that in numerology? So
Yeah.
here, only because of the name that is given to the child, that differs, the value differs. So the child starts expressing himself in a very different way. So it's when you say that your date of birth is like a snapshot, and that is not changeable, it is not movable. but the name that the child is given becomes so very important.
You
that
mean to say like it is
changes.
very important to take a name according to numerology, whatever birth date they get. So it is very
When
important to take a name according to numerology. Do you mean to say that?
No, not really. I believe that the universe will give you the name
Yes,
that the
you had
child
already told me.
requires. Yeah, that the child requires. Sometimes parents really try very hard to give a very beautiful name to the child, but they will always pick what the child requires. You will see many times, like it's a big myth that so many celebrities have become successful because they have changed their name. Yes, there are celebrities who are very successful, whose names have been changed, but has everybody's name who have changed given them that same effect? No, it doesn't work like that. Universe will always give you a name that you require at that particular time. It will only change when the universe feels now this person needs to change this to another expression. Only then it will change. So sometimes I feel it is a folly to just go and change because everybody is changing. Let's also change. Maybe we will get it. You know, I have got 90% of success, but I will still want to change because I want 200% success. And then they just flop. So sometimes these things become very difficult. How do you really tell that person that, don't go there? First, try it out. Does this really work for you? Just because it has worked for someone else may not work for you. I know
Right.
so many celebrities who have changed and nothing has happened.
Right.
So we can also, if you can share the slide, then
Yeah,
maybe I
I'll
can
just.
explain.
Yes, yes. So today we have taken an example of two twins.
Yeah,
Uh,
of Scarlett Johansson and her brother Hunter, who are
yes,
twins.
yes.
These are Hollywood. She's an Hollywood star. She's an highest paid actress of Hollywood.
Right.
She's young and who is this in the photograph?
Yeah, I have a class, so you continue, please.
Okay. So now if you will see Scarlett and Hunter, the twins that were born, they were born on the 22nd of November 1984. Now Scarlett has become a big star, but her brother has not. If you look at the numbers, her number comes to a 24, Scarlett comes to a 24, while Johansson comes to a 34.
Correct.
Okay. Now
Yes.
24 is a number of Venus, which by itself is a big star. So Johansson has been able to, and 6 stands for media, movies, celebrity, those kind of glamour. It's a number of glamour,
Glamour.
huge glamour, luxury.
Venus, luxury,
Yes,
pleasure.
luxury. Yeah. So she has that number, and that is the reason she became an star. Though if you Google and you will see the background of Scarlett, her grandparents also have been into films. Her parents also have been into this, but she has risen and she has shown, while the others have not been that known. Though they have been in the same line, they have not been that known. But if you see Hunter, he is nowhere in the picture. Though he's doing extremely well for himself.
Correct.
His number, Hunter's number, you will have the slide of Hunter. Okay, Hunter's number, if you see, comes to a 32, which is a 5. But Hunter Johansson comes to a 33.6. Can you hear me, Shika?
Yes, yes, I can.
Okay, I thought
No,
again
no, I
you
can.
frozen. Okay.
Yeah.
Now Hunter has been a PR. He's been doing events. He's very successful in his own field. 32, which comes to 3 plus 2, which is a 5, which is a number of media. He's a big PR, and he has been doing his PR events for Barack Obama during his presidential election times when Barack Obama won. So he has been on the scene and he is doing extremely well for himself, but he is not on the screen. He is not in the movie kind of a screen. He is in media, but that media is very different. So he is also very successful. This is the difference between the number 5 and the 6. Both extremely successful, both are doing extremely well for themselves, but one can be seen and one cannot be seen. The only difference is that 5 and 6. So both being born in the same family. I especially took this example because I felt it was very apt,
very nice. You know, in 2 minutes and you have just come to that conclusion between 5 and 6. That's it. So,
so
numerology is really very little bit easy, I feel, than astrology.
Yeah, this is
In
what
astrology,
I was telling
though,
you.
we have to go a little bit deep and find out.
You'll go to the Navamsha, then you will see the Dashamsha, then you will see so many other things. I get totally confused.
I'll go and see it Nadi way and see the Jupiter and see the Venus. That may give me a clue why this is happening, maybe.
Yeah. So this way we come to know in numerology that though there are twins, why they are so different. Here I have especially taken this example because both are extremely successful. It's not that one is introvert and the other is not, and you know. But here both are successful, both have good numbers, both come from the filmy background. So I felt it was a little apt to say in this very short video that we are doing, you know. So people understand what numerology is all about. That we are not just talking, you know, something that is not logical or something. We are talking, we definitely, there are many calculations though, but they are easy calculations and it's far easier to understand. It's not
beautiful example you have given today. I hope people will enjoy this session of yours.
Yes. I hunted through many examples because even when I do consultations and readings, I know many people, but I didn't want to take their names because others would not know of them and they cannot really Google and see what we are talking. Is it right or are we just saying something? This is a good example for people to go and Google and see, yes, what I am talking is what it is.
You know? I have to work this on my own brother and sister. You know, I have a twin brother and a sister.
Really? Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
You must do it.
I really will do it after this session. I really will do it.
Yeah, it's. I have known many people who are twins, and I have done this, so I know how it works. And they're like chalk and cheese. Here, at least they're in the same.
Bilkul. From start only, one will like potato, one will like bhindi, one will like chapati, one will like rice. So they're totally opposite.
Yeah, even their life events, you know, they are so different.
Yes.
So, but when we are doing a small video, if we go to that intense thing, then I think sometimes people will not understand what we are talking. So I felt it was good to see. But if you take the same celebrity, if you take Ashton Kutcher and his brother, my God, they're so different. And you wonder what happened here.
That you can take in your classes an example. Guys, we are having a numerology sessions with Neena ji starting from 26. Please do join her to learn numerology. She teaches in a very simple way and she's very good at it. We'll see you. Thank you. Thank you, Neena.
Thank you, Shika. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.